How to use differential pressure transmitter to measure correctly. Part 2. When the equipment is shut down, the high pressure, or low pressure, valve should be closed first, then the balance valve should be opened, and then the valve should be closed on the other side. Sometimes when measuring the airflow, there is water in the positive and negative pressure chamber or pipe, so the instrument should be stopped and the water should be drained. Sometimes, the pipeline will be blocked, making the transmitter subject to unidirectional stress, and the output pressure is 0 or more than the full scale. At this time, the pressure of 1.0 megapascals to 5.0 Pa can be injected in the opposite direction and maintained for a few minutes. After eliminating the pressure, if it can return to 0, it means that the diaphragm is not broken. Otherwise, check whether the spring is bent or the diaphragm is broken and whether there is oil leakage. At this point, the diaphragm needs to be replaced.